Before you spend your money on this Amazon product, here's the honest breakdown you actually need. Did you know the Fitbit Inspire 3 boasts an insane battery life that could last you through a whole month of use on a single charge? That's more than most smartwatches can dream of. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is a health and fitness tracker designed by Google to help you understand your body better and make healthier choices. It's a no-frills, user-friendly device that focuses on core metrics like activity, sleep, and heart rate, aiming to make health tracking accessible to everyone, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your wellness journey. This tracker packs in some seriously useful features. First, the 24/7 heart rate monitoring is crucial. It doesn't just tell you your current pulse, it helps track your resting heart rate over time, a key indicator of cardiovascular health. Second, the comprehensive sleep tracking breaks down your sleep stages, light, deep, and REM, giving you actionable insights to improve your sleep quality. Third, the workout intensity feature helps you understand how hard you're working during exercise, ensuring you're in the optimal zone for your goals, whether that's fat burning or endurance building. Finally, the stress management tools analyze your body's response to stress, offering guided breathing sessions to help you find calm. Plus, you get a 3-month subscription to Fitbit's premium service included, which unlocks even deeper insights and personalized guidance. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is perfect for beginners who are new to fitness tracking and want a simple, intuitive device. It's also ideal for casual exercisers who need basic workout tracking and sleep monitoring without overwhelming data. If you're looking for a long battery life that won't require daily charging, this is definitely a strong contender. And for those who are stressed and want some simple tools to manage it, the breathing exercises are a nice addition. However, it's important to note that the Inspire 3 lacks a built-in GPS, meaning you'll need your phone with you for accurate pace and distance tracking during outdoor activities. Compared to a more feature-rich smartwatch like the Apple Watch SE, the Inspire 3 is much more affordable and focuses on core wellness metrics rather than app ecosystems and complex smart features. While the Apple Watch offers more advanced functionality, the Inspire 3 provides a focused and less distracting experience for health tracking. At its typical Amazon US price point, which fluctuates but is generally very competitive, the Fitbit Inspire 3 offers excellent value. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.